Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Apple released iOS 27 beta 3 to developers. This update brings new changes that you will actually notice on your device, and in this video I will show you what's new, what changed, and whether you should install this beta update right now. So the file size on my iPhone 16 Pro Max is 9.9 gigabyte, and as you can see, it is downloading the software, and then it's gonna get installed on my device, and we take it from there. So stay tuned. Okay guys, now that my device is done updating, so I'm running iOS 27 beta 3. So what's new on this update, we're gonna check it out. So the first one is the Siri voice customization. So let's go check it out. Settings, General, and Siri. So they have some new voices customization, right?
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Some additional voices depending on what you're looking for.
The setting sun. The colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky fade. The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars.
So it's more natural voices. So these are new Siri voices added on this update. And the next change is called live recognition. This is found inside accessibility. Live recognition uses the iPhone camera and on-device intelligence to detect and describe things around you. For example, you can point your camera at something and ask questions about what the phone sees. This can be useful for accessibility, identifying objects, and getting quick information from your surrounding. So then, let's try it. Hey Siri, what is this?
This appears to be a launch port, now known as iPort Launch, wireless charging system for an iPad. The image shows an iPad inside a launch port protective case, mounted on a launch port base station, which uses inductive technology to charge the device wirelessly without cables.
So this is very impressive. So it's talking about this thing up there. As you can see there, that's my iPad charger, the dock. So that's what it pointed, and it responded my questions. Very impressive. And next is the photo and rating controls. Apple also added a new options in photo inside settings. Also on this update, there is also a new wallpaper animation. Let's see if this is it right here. Right, you can choose and then you can customize. Look at this, look at the widget here. The clock widget is amazing. And then as you can see, the color is changing. You can add widget and etc. This update contains some bugs, right? Battery drainage and app issues. So you must proceed on your own because beta program always has some bugs, so it's up to you if you wanna install it. So if you are developer version, you can download it today. If you are public beta tester, you need to wait few days. And if you are neither, you have to wait until iOS 27 comes out in September. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to RealTechTV and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.